Hello all, I am Pushpa, currently pursuing BTech third year with the specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am here to explain you about the internship which was done by me on the domain of web full stack development. Web full stack development is all about creating the websites and hosting them onto the browsers so that all the users can access through internet. So full stack development consists of front end, back end and database. Front end is all about the where the users can see or display what is displaying on the screen is all about the front end, and back end is all about the users which cannot be seen. And database can, by using the databases we can store the data, retrieve the data and manipulate the data. So front end development consists of mainly three types: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is all about the structure tells about the structure of the website, and CSS gives a styling to the websites, and JavaScript tells the behavior of the websites. By using the front end development, the users interact to the websites. Version control. Here in the version control, version control consists of two repositories. First is local repository and the remote repository. Local repository is the repository in the computer, and remote repository is like GitHub. So that the files in the local repository will be pushed to the remote repository, so that every user can access from the remote repository. So that the files or any folders that we have to change anything, then you will push to the remote repository. All the users can clone the websites. All the users can clone the websites through remote repository and use the websites. Here, what is web hosting? The websites which we are designed is hosted on the website so that every user can access it and use those. Here, this is our website and we are hosting it on the server. Server is connected to the internet. Through internet, every user can access it and use those websites. To SQL Server. SQL Server is all about using the store the data, retrieve the data and manipulate the data. So here all the data will be stored in relational database, which means rows and columns. We have SQL commands like select, delete, so that we can delete the data from the SQL database. Here we have the client application. This is the SQL Server, which is relational database. The user can send the query to the relational database so that from the SQL Server it gives the result. Here we have OLTP and OLAP. OLTP stands for online transaction processing, and OLAP stands for online analyzing processing. MongoDB is one kind of database. Here also we can store the data and retrieve the data and manipulate the data. But here we can also store the non-structured data. But in SQL we have only stored the data which is structured. Conclusion: web development is all about the guidance to the website owners to how to create the web applications and host their applications, so that every user can interact with the websites which was created by the website owner. Overall, full stack development plays a crucial role in shaping the digital world. Thank you.